Welcome back to my YouTube channel AutoVista, 360. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Now we start the video, without wasting your precious time. The automotive world is abuzz with anticipation as Audi unveils its latest masterpiece, the SQ8 2024. This luxury SUV promises to redefine performance, sophistication, and cutting-edge technology in the realm of sports utility vehicles. Let's delve into the key features and innovations that make the Audi SQ8 2024 stand out in its class. Performance prowess. At the heart of the SQ8 2024 is a formidable powerhouse. The meticulously crafted engine delivers an exhilarating blend of power and efficiency. With advanced engineering, the SQ8 boasts a high-performance drivetrain that ensures an unmatched driving experience. From swift accelerations on the open road to navigating challenging terrains with ease, the SQ8 proves to be a true performance marvel. Design elegance. Audi's commitment to design excellence is evident in every curve of the SQ8. The 2024 model continues the brand's legacy of sleek, aerodynamic aesthetics combined with a bold and commanding presence. The interior is a testament to luxury, with meticulously crafted materials and state-of-the-art technology seamlessly integrated to provide both comfort and convenience. Technological marvels. Step inside the SQ8, and you'll find a cockpit that fuses innovation with user-friendly design. The latest in infotainment and connectivity options ensure that every journey is both entertaining and efficient. Advanced driver assistance features make driving the SQ8 a pleasure, with safety and performance harmoniously working together. Efficiency and sustainability. In a world increasingly conscious of environmental impact, the SQ8 2024 doesn't fall short. Audi has incorporated eco-friendly elements without compromising performance. From fuel-efficient technologies to thoughtful design choices, the SQ8 aligns with Audi's commitment to sustainability. Customization options. Audi understands that every driver is unique. The SQ8 2024 offers a range of customization options, allowing enthusiasts to tailor their vehicle to suit personal preferences. From interior finishes to exterior colors, Audi ensures that each SQ8 is a reflection of its owner's style. The Audi SQ8 2024 is a symphony of power and elegance, where performance meets luxury in perfect harmony. With its cutting-edge features, stunning design, and commitment to sustainability, the SQ8 stands tall as a beacon of Audi's unwavering dedication to automotive excellence. As it graces the roads, the SQ8 is not just a car, it's a statement, a testament to the future of driving pleasure.